All right. We are still on Okwa Street. Street to Street. And it's your boy Pastor Lee. And normally I'm with my favorite MC in person of MC DEKOLA.
Ajasin.
Ajasin, the guy dey fear. I no go ask serious question.
Alright.
I go dey calm on you.
Alright.
I will treat you like the ladies. Yeah. Alright, simple question, first one. What's the full meaning of GST?
GST.
You do am for 100 level.
General Studies.
Are you sure?
I think it's General Studies. Yeah.
It's not General Society of Thugs.
Now.
No, it's General Studies.
General Studies. Okay, we'll see you. Name 3 other political parties apart from PDP and APC.
There's Labour Party, there's YPP, there's Accord Party.
Accord.
More music on DavePlay.com.
Yeah, Accord Party is in Oyo State.
How about it?
Kí ni so? Ẹran kílẹ̀ jẹ lánàá. Ajá kílẹ̀ fi jókòó. Ẹ sórí rẹ̀ yóò mọ̀ dá fún yín ni.
All right. So, who is MC Foye?
MC Foye is a brother, is a colleague, is someone I so much love his content and believe in. He's a brother and a colleague, like I said earlier. A good one.
You don't stop, everything just good. That guy na bad guy normally.
You don't ever see where they talk bad about person for a show day.
Voila.
So if I get any bad to where I want to talk, no be today I go talk. But like, to be honest, like in all honesty, he's a good guy.
All right. Okay, who is your favorite artist?
Musical artist.
Nah.
Everybody knows me happy Wizkid star now.
A lot of love.
Wizkid fan. Ayé mi látọjọ́ tí mo ti mọ̀ DEKOLA, mo sọ Yorùbá in full. I didn't know DEKOLA is a Wizkid
I'm
fan.
a Wizkid star, no, but I'm not like the aggressive Wizkid fans, like the FC, that anything you talk, they swear, threaten your life. No.
I don't want peace.
I like this music for
I want
What's
problems.
the full name of Wizkid?
Ayodeji, Ibrahim Balogun.
You are really a fan. The last song released by Wizkid, sing a verse and the cross.
Back to me, by Wizkid.
The verse and the cross.
Highway, crossing my highway. This kind of body when you crossing my highway. I want to know if you do it your way, or if you want me to do it your way. Highway to you, so another day. Even I'm one day.
What in this?
Money on my mind was mad. This kind of.
Jesus.
Thank you.
I'm here with Wizkid. Okay.
Normally I hear the song. You get as it be. But as I dey hear am for you, I dey dance. Based on saying now DEKOLA dey sing am, but normally I no be Wizkid fan. Alright. I know say you be Arsenal fan.
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Say Arsenal dey on top.
I'm feeling high, man. You know, it's been a while as I maintained that top seat for a long time. So like, all Arsenal fans were hyped. I personally am hyped.
As in, we are on top of the table till the end of the year.
It's not small.
It's plenty.
For the fact that we are on top and Chelsea is not even near, it makes it more sweet.
Alright. Seeing that you are versatile, I want you to spell the word versatile.
Versatile.
Alright, this is like a trivial question. Okay, there are 3 jolly friends.
Okay.
3 jolly friends, and they are represented by the first alphabet. You get that? They are so close that nothing can separate them except that there is U between the last 2 letters.
I know the first alphabet is A. You see that you that separate them. Anything that anybody say you, there's always problem. I love you. I will kill you. Damn you. I don't know him.
Our brain is dormant.
I don't know it.
Hey, yeah.
I don't know those first. At the matter of fact, 3 of them are mad.
Hey, 3 of them are mad. Be mindful of what you say because that word is actually is an acronym and it's actually AAUA.
They are mad.
Are you normal?